Are you in need of a health revival? If you are, then discovering the amazing apple cider vinegar benefits and health-promoting properties just may be what you're looking for. In this video, we're going to share with you the top 22 apple cider vinegar benefits and uses that you need to know about. We'll also share with you what apple cider, or ACV, really is, when you should be taking it, as well as an apple cider vinegar recipe for you to use each day. By the end of this video, we're confident you'll know what all the amazing benefits and uses are for ACV and know exactly how and when to consume it to benefit your health. Before we get started, please subscribe to the channel for more cutting-edge health, nutrition, and natural cures videos. Also, tap the notification bell so you know when a new video is released. Let's dive in! Before we get into the top 22 apple cider vinegar benefits and uses, let's first briefly discuss what exactly ACV is. Apple cider vinegar is simply the fermented form of apple cider. It becomes full of probiotics and powerful health-promoting enzymes as a result of the fermentation process. ACV is well known to have antibacterial properties, which is one of the reasons why it's so effective at promoting optimal health. Although it's become popular in recent times, the use of ACV spans back to the time of Hippocrates, where he reportedly mixed it with honey to help alleviate cold symptoms in his patients. It generally only takes 1 to 2 tablespoons per day of apple cider vinegar to achieve the multitude of health-promoting benefits for yourself. That said, let's discuss the monster list of ACV benefits and uses we've promised you. Here are the top 22 apple cider vinegar benefits. Number 1. Calms acid reflux. Number 2. Heals acne. Number 3. Lowers cholesterol. Number 4. Balances blood sugar. Number 5. Reduces blood pressure. Number 6. Boosts weight loss. Number 7. Kills bad breath and whitens teeth. Number 8. Stops dandruff. Number 9. Calms a sore throat. Number 10. Relieves cold symptoms. Number 11. Has an alkalizing effect on the body. Number 12. Adds shine to hair. Number 13. Helps detox the lymphatic system. Number 14. Boosts immunity. Number 15. Alleviates varicose veins. Number 16. Eliminates fungal infections such as athlete's foot and yeast infections. Number 17. Promotes gut health. Number 18. Removes pesticides and chemicals from produce. Number 19. Is a natural weed killer. Number 20. Is a natural bug killer. Number 21. Is a natural deodorant. And number 22 is a natural household cleaner. That's a pretty impressive list of benefits and uses for one simple and inexpensive natural food item. Now that you know all the amazing ways apple cider vinegar can be used to benefit your health, let's talk about how exactly you should be consuming it. As previously mentioned, when it comes to the health benefits of ACV, you may only need 1 to 2 tablespoons per day to see results. However, because apple cider vinegar is so concentrated, it should always be diluted with water when taking it. For a safe and effective tonic you can drink daily, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV into 16 ounces of water. You can even add a little honey in there to sweeten it up if you'd like. Drink this tonic 1 to 2 times per day. Be sure to use only the raw apple cider vinegar with the mother, a cluster of bacteria that occurs naturally from the fermentation process, for the biggest health impact. As with any significant change to your diet, before you start consuming ACV regularly, you should first consult your doctor to get their approval. So there you have it! The top health-promoting apple cider vinegar benefits that you need to be aware of, as well as how to use it as part of your daily health regimen. What do you think? Please leave a comment below this video and let us know if you've ever used ACV and experienced any of these health-related benefits for yourself. Also, please remember to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button to let YouTube know it's an awesome video and that more people should see it. Thanks for watching!